Hey y'all, it's Ian with Blow Mountain Craftsman. Today we're going to be taking out the driver's side seat and the center console in my truck to prep for replacing the floor tomorrow. So let's get started. Driver's side seat has the same exact setup as the passenger seat. It is two T50 Torx bolts in the back and two in the front. So I've slid the seat all the way forward and we're going to go ahead and take those bolts out. And now that we got the bolts in the back out, we've slid the seat all the way back and we're going to get the two in the front out. And just like with the passenger side seat, we want to carefully remove the plug that controls the airbags. So what we're going to do once again is just lean the seat back until we can get to that plug, which is right here. And once we get the seat leaned back, once again carefully take a flathead screwdriver and insert it in just to release the catch. And it should pop right off. So the driver's side also has one of these plastic covers covering up the bolts holding the back of the seat down and the seat belt anchor. Now to remove it, there's a Phillips head screw right here, and the tool gremlins actually decided to return one of my small Phillips head screwdrivers, so we're going to go ahead and take that out now. And once we get that screw out, there is a couple of little releases attaching the plastic up in here, but you can kind of get up under there to depress the releases and then kind of pop it and it slides right off. And these are what I'm talking about right here. Now we just need to remove the bolts off the side. We once again have a 10 millimeter, two 13 millimeters, and a 15 millimeter. So it's still pretty difficult to see, but down there right next to that dirty spoon up under the seat are two more Torx T50 bolts, one on this side and one on the passenger side. So we're going to go ahead and take those out now. And just like that, we have all the seats out of the truck. You can really tell how dirty and disgusting and ripped and poorly this previous carpet was taken care of. But we'll get that taken care of tomorrow. Thank y'all for joining us today. Tomorrow we're going to be ripping this dirty carpet out, cleaning the inside of the truck really well, putting down some Dynamat and then the rubber flooring. I feel pretty good about what all we got done today. I think I might hop in the truck and go get some Chick-fil-A.